Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online. It is free and available worldwide. A perfect side hustle for regular people like you and me. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So stay tuned. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Take a look at all of these campaigns on one page right now. We'll be able to make some money through these initiatives. Keep an eye out because I'll walk you through the process step by step on how to generate money from this. Don't worry because this website is accessible from anywhere around the world, so you can generate money from it regardless of your current location. It's great because the method I'm about to show you is absolutely beginner friendly, so you can make a lot of money even if you haven't done any online work before. Kickbooster is the name of the website we'll be using in today's video. You can check out their website at kickbooster.me, which looks like this. It's now just a matter of hovering over users and then clicking on affiliates, which will send you to a page explaining how to become an affiliate marketer on this site. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that you can earn rewards for sharing your favorite projects on this page. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that you can use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for each successful pledge that comes through your link. Your affiliate links can also be shared on social media, email, or any place else you want to make money. If you share more, you'll make more money. Scroll down to see how to become an affiliate marketer for this website. And it's easy as 4 steps, which I'll walk you through so you can make a lot of money as well. You must first register a free account on this website in order to generate money. If you register an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes, you won't have to pay anything. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. The next step is to pick a project that you'd want to help out with. As I said from the outset, you can work on a variety of projects and earn money from them. You'll need to spread the word about them after you've used their marketplace to find amazing projects to share. You can build your own affiliate link and share it with your network with a single click of a button. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media channel of your choice can all be used to share it. Finally, once you've completed all of the previous steps, you can sit back and wait for your commissions to arrive. It's as simple as that. Take note though because I'll explain you how to accomplish it step by step later so you don't get lost. The majority of people do not watch the video and do not make any money, which is not what I want. Because I want you to profit from the strategies I'm going to show you. I recommend watching it all the way through. Signing up for a Kickbooster affiliate account is the first step. To do so, simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the purple Sign Me Up button. After that, your browsers will then lead you to this website, where you can register as an affiliate marketer. Simply fill in the forms and check the box to accept their terms and conditions to complete the transaction. Click on this box where it says I'm not a robot and then click on the Submit button. You now have an affiliate marketer account on Kickbooster. Signing up for a Kickbooster account is as easy as that. After you've created an account, you'll be sent to your own personal dashboard. On this dashboard, you'll be able to check how much money you've made so far from your affiliate links. If you watch this video, you will see how $100 soon grows into $100,000, then $1,000, then $1,000, and so on and so forth. Despite the fact that there are no earnings on this account because it is still new. So keep an eye out for it. The second step is to look for projects to promote right now. To be sent to Kickbooster's Marketplace, simply click on Marketplace and you'll be taken there. If you try to scroll down to this page, you'll be able to see some of the projects that are available on Kickbooster. On the left side, you may actually choose the category you want to see. On the Kickbooster Marketplace, you can promote a wide selection of products. They cover a wide range of topics including beauty and personal care products, everyday education, carry fashion, cuisine games, health home goods, outsporting goods, technology, and travel, to name a few. Click on any of these categories to see the projects that are available. In a moment, I'll show you how to choose the best category to generate the most money. You won't have to worry about anything because it'll be really straightforward. And the best part is that it'll be absolutely free. This does not imply that you should invest your hard-earned money in it. I've tried and tested a few categories: design, health, and technology. You may make a lot of money by promoting products in these three areas. By clicking on these three categories at the beginning of the video, Kickbooster will show you the product that fall into those categories. Go to the sort by drop-down option now because I'm going to give you an extra hint. By allowing you to choose between high and low commissions, you'll be able to discover which products make a lot of money if you promote them. Kickbooster will now display the items with the highest commissions. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll notice these items. In terms of commissions, you can see that these items will pay you between $20 and $30, which is a lot of money for me. And you don't need a lot of work to earn it. In any case, before you get paid, all you have to do now is post your affiliate link and wait for others to click on it. Isn't it wonderful? As a result, we now have to choose a product. You have a lot of options, but I'm going to go with this one because it pays a lot of money for this video. If you click on the product to learn more about it, you'll be brought to their landing page. As a result, as you can see, every dollar you raise for their campaign will earn you a 30% commission. I'll now click the View Campaign button to learn more about the campaign. I think it's a fantastic thing to share with others, and a lot of people will actually click on it. You don't have to have a lot of people to click on your affiliate link to make money from it, which is great. To put it another way, you'll only need 3 or 4 employees to start making a respectable living. To begin marketing this product, simply click this button and you'll be given a unique affiliate link to copy and share with others. Don't worry, if you're wondering where I put my link, I'll show you some other traffic sources later. And I know a lot of people are using these websites because I do. The first website that gets a lot of traffic is Quora.com. I've mentioned this website before and I'm sure you've heard of it as well. All you have to do on Quora is write new technology into the search box and it will appear. You'll be able to see who's talking about this issue and they'll be curious if you tell them about the Kickbooster product you found. Answering any of these articles, discussing the products you found, and then sharing your affiliate link with them is as simple as that. Because I know a lot of you have Facebook accounts, the second website is Facebook, which you may utilize to promote your affiliate link. You can join any of these groups by searching on Facebook for technology enthusiasts and clicking on the groups that interests you. You can then contact the members and send them to Kickbooster to buy the items using your affiliate link. You may do this again and again because Kickbooster has so many different products to choose from. In a few days, you'll be able to earn your commissions and then spend them as you see fit. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.